Time to sleep.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Time to sleep.
Alright, I see y'all. Don't give a fuck about me.
Jiren?
Need that, nigga. Dead homies, nigga. I need that.
Relax, relax.
If that's all you can muster, Trooper, you shouldn't feel so proud.
What a sleazy, sneaky scumbag! Justice!
Got room for one more?
Fuck off!
I sold, didn't I?
What? Oh, no, you good.
My fault, game. Oh, my bad.
Run it.
Kakarot above you!
No.
Destructo Disc times 6! What? Oh my god, no! 90! Look at that!
What the? There's no way, there's no way, say swear to God.
Now say something, nigga. Say something, nigga. Say something, nigga.
Don't let him do that. Oh no. No.
Here he comes.
I can't sleep at night like this, period. I can't sleep like this at night with a loss on my mind. Get this nigga, bruh. And if I take another L, fuck it. It is what it is. But bring this nigga, man. I can't sleep like this, bruh.
Here we come, Jiren!
I'm so hyped right now. I'm so... Anything's possible!